project gets completion process, you get more and more resource requirement which goes in. And therefore, to spread it over 5 years is not so much from our end saying you don't want to spend now, you want to stagger it. It's more the absorption capacity of the project itself. Even they will take their own time to take more and more. Even if funds are available, they can only take a certain level at any point in time.
And the economy will grow in double digits to be able to get there in 5 years, or will we have to push this deadline?
Well, I'm making all the necessary steps to give that stimulus in the economy.
Let me come to the fiscal deficit. You know, the fiscal deficit has slipped yet again to 3.8%. My first and direct question is, will it lead to a downgrade in India's sovereign rating? Is there a potential risk of that?
I don't see that at all, because we've been very responsible about the way in which we have used the forbearance in the FRBM Act. The Act provides for the forbearance of 0.5. We have not crossed that. And the numbers that we've given, different heads, different places, different numbers, are all responsible numbers. I've even made a mention as to why my numbers this time, given the fact that I've used the forbearance, are well within the framework. So I don't see India's ratings coming down because we have breached the fiscal number, or we have in fact we have complied with the framework given to us. And if I don't do that, and if I'm stubborn about the number that I have, even in today's situation, I'm expected to spend more. How will I do that unless I use the escape clause which is available for me? I have not violated beyond that.
That's right. You know, Nirmala ji, the NBFC sector, which is a major source of credit also for the economy, is in serious trouble. What are the steps that you are going to take to assure investors, the market, that you are working towards solving this big problem?
Haven't I made a mention that there will be, first of all, before the budget we had given a partial guarantee scheme for them.
Sure. That
they can pool their assets. First 10% will be supported by us, the stopgap will be given by the government, all that. And that has been used by several of them. The RBI is constantly telling us about, reporting on how that is developing. Even now,